Today we will discuss experiment 9, where we will conduct or study the optical fiber characteristics. So for this we require a source which we have taken as a laser source. Then we have a chuck which is holding the fiber optics. This is the optical fiber, and the output from the optical fiber is then sent to a detector, optical detector, which is connected to a ammeter which shows the current. The intensity of the light is measured in terms of current. So the first part of the experiment is to measure the numerical aperture of an optical fiber, for which we will do a virtual lab using a simulator. And the second part is to measure the bending loss in a multi-mode fiber. So what we have done here is we have taken a optical fiber, then there are several loads here which we will put onto the fiber and see the changes in the current. Okay, so now, so your current here at the moment without load is around, let it be stable. So it's coming around 0.082 microampere. Then I put a load of 100 grams and see the change in the current. So your current is changing and it will attain a stable value around it's taking a time to be stable. So it's around 0.71 or 0.071 microampere. Then I'll put another load which is 450 grams. 450 grams and see the change in the current. So the total weight is 420 plus 100 grams, so 520 grams at the moment. So now the current has reached 0.041. So as we increase the load on the fiber optical fiber, we see that there will be a decrease in the intensity. So this is what is called the bending loss. When you have the fiber optics bended at certain ends, then the condition for total internal reflection may not be obeyed, and thereby there is a decrease in the intensity that it transmits. So I put a further load of 620 grams and we see that the current has now reached some 0.042 microampere. So this is now what we do is now we will make a table for which we will tabulate the load versus the intensity, that is the current, and then we will plot a graph where the graph will appear like this. You have the weight in grams along the x-axis, the normalized voltage along the, actually we will be plotting the current, the normalized current along the y-axis, and then your graph will come something like this. That is, as we increase the load, there will be a decrease in the intensity. So this is one part to the fiber optics, the study of optical fiber characteristics, and we will do the next part through the virtual lab, that is through a simulator.